Hi fam, I'm Christine and welcome to the channel. I'm a software engineer based in South Africa, and in today's video I will be breaking down my computer science degree, hopefully in under 10 minutes. So I'll be going into what it is, a year-by-year breakdown, as well as what that kind of degree allows you to do worldwide. So guys, let's go straight into it. So just a little bit of credibility. I did study computer science at the University of Pretoria, one of the best universities in South Africa, and I just recently finished my honors this year. So what is computer science? Forget the stereotype, because computer science is not just coding all day. Computer science is all about solving problems, building technology using math, logic, and creativity to bring things into life. So in the real world, it looks like designing applications, software and networks from scratch, turning your logic and creativity into a million things people use, collaborating in teams, thinking critically, and adapting quickly, using math and code to create robust code. So whether you become a developer or an analyst or something else, computer science gives you the raw skills to thrive in tech. Okay, now I'll be taking you through year by year of my degree, the modules, the experience, and how each of these level help build towards making you that pro. And I'll just be going through all of these briefly. So year one is the foundation. It's a reality check, and this is where you really build your base, with modules that focused on basic principles or basic concepts like variables, arrays, loops, functions, with modules that are focused on how the computer thinks, logic gates, with modules that focused on how computers process memory, processes, concurrent programming, how a computer would go about running multiple processes at the same time. We also had our mathematics and statistics modules like your calculus, linear algebra, discrete mathematics, and really, this is where a lot of the computer science students cry, and I totally get that. But yes, those allow you to become that strong and versatile problem solver. Then we went into our second year. This is where things start to get serious, or a little bit serious, and your skills start to stack up. So we had modules that focused on learning automata, grammars, learning what computers can and cannot solve at this current stage, trees, graphs, sorting, all those algorithms. That was in the other module and a half called data structures and algorithms, where we learned some of the most important and amazing data structures and algorithms. We did software modeling, where we went into UML diagrams, design patterns. Then we did net-centric computing, where we built our very first website. That was in second year. APIs, JavaScript, HTML, you name it. Then we also built on our concurrency, multiple processes at the same time, deadlock. We learned all of those kinds of concepts in this module. Oh, this is worth noting. In this module, we also did assembly language. If you know it, if you know what that is, you will know it's not fun in games. It's the programming language that they used back in the days. I think it was invented like in 1960 or something. If you are to write one line of code these days, like it's equivalent to like 3-4 lines, not nice, not fancy. And then yeah, for those who wanted to go a different route like data science and all of those fancy stuff, they could take electives that had statistics and more math. For me, discrete mathematics in second year was enough. Then in year 3, this is where you start feeling like you're becoming that computer scientist that you came into the university to be. It's really your final boss level. I would want to say it's the most exciting one. You get to work on real life projects with real clients. We had our year-long module, which was called software engineering, where we did our year project. In our case, in fact, I will just do another separate video because it's going to become lengthy. In this third year, we also did computer networks. We learned all about the ports, the different ports. your OSI model, the 7 interfaces, routing, and how computers talk to each other. We did computer security and ethics. That was a fun and chilled module. Cryptography, security modules, and ethical responsibilities in tech. We also did a programming languages modules, which was just a shuffle of programming languages, different assignments with different programming languages, just really learning the semantics and all of that. Yeah, basically how that can affect the overall programming experience and output, I guess. And then we did another boss module, compiler construction. You see that tool that tells you that there's an error on line 33? That is what we had to build for a given language. So it's not like you could have copied it somewhere, but thankfully we overcame. So yeah, I think that module was just put there for you to respect the software behind your favorite coding software. Then again, in this year, there were electives, whether you wanted to go into your data science route and other fancy stuff. There were electives like computer graphics that allowed you to venture into the thing that you want to be. So because of time, I don't want this video to be way too long. I'm going to go into the second video, which you can expect by tomorrow, which is a Friday. Let's say by Saturday, just to be safe. It will be a video that explains what you can achieve or career possibilities with a computer science degree or any other related degree. This can be your ICT, your information knowledge systems, your IT degrees. So guys, please do stay tuned. Yeah, I'll definitely also want to do a video on the advice I would give to someone who wants to go into college or uni to do this kind of degree, you know, a tech related degree. So guys, please stay tuned, subscribe, hit the like button, and share your comments down below. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.